Hello, today we have a Nissan push-to-start vehicle, and it's going to get a Nissan-specific remote start, not a universal remote start. Here is the Nissan-specific wire harness, specifically designed for this vehicle. It will also get Nissan-specific remote start software to interact with this vehicle and make it a flawless installation. Now the remote start itself, this is a two-way remote start. We're going to hold this button down for 3 seconds. It's going to send a signal out to the vehicle. Once the remote start does a safety check and the engine actually starts up, a signal is sent back to the remote control. The remote control beeps, it flashes lights, it lets you know your vehicle is actually running. And that's great if you're in an office with no windows, you're in a 4th floor apartment and can't see the vehicle, that's great. Now we're going to walk up to the vehicle. You do not have to push any remote control buttons. It recognizes us. We're going to enter the vehicle. The engine stays running on this vehicle-specific remote start. It does not shut off. We now have 30 seconds to drive away. Thanks for watching.
I finally broke down and got the remote starter in my car last winter. Life-changing.
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe I didn't do it sooner.
Many people love it.
Yeah.
Many people love it.
Oh, it just makes it so much nicer.